What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to code your BMW 128i using BimmerCode. So this car is really like a base BMW. It's a 2010 BMW 128i. So it doesn't have a lot of features, but I just want to code in things like, the ability to wind down the windows automatically from the remote, as well as being able to wind up the windows and the sunroof with the remote as well. So we're going to go ahead and code that in, and I'll show you guys right now. All right, so to get this done, we're going to be using our Samsung Galaxy tablet. And this is the smaller one. It was like $100 at Best Buy. And then we're also going to be using the iCar Pro. I forgot how much this was, but I'll link it in the description. But it's cheap. It was probably like around $30 or $40. So we connect this to the ODB port, and then we connect to the actual car using BimmerCode, the app. All right, so we want to go ahead and program the key, primarily just to like wind down the windows automatically when I press the unlock button and hold it. And then when that's down, if I want to close them, I could hold down the lock button and it will close everything, the two windows and the sunroof as well. So as you see right now, if I hold down the unlock button, right, doesn't do anything. It unlocks the doors, but doesn't wind the windows down. So that's what we want to get into BimmerCode and see if we could fix. All right, so we have the iCard Pro device plugged into the ODB port. You can see it right there with the red LED on. The next thing we're going to do is take our key, put it in the ignition, and with your foot off the brake, press the power button once so that the car goes into accessory mode. You also notice the lights will temporarily come on, and it will also have lights on the cluster. And now we're going to go into the BimmerCode app. I'm going to use a screen recording device so you guys can see more clearly what we're going to do. All right, so we're going to go ahead and select BimmerCode on the tablet. Then we're going to go ahead and click on connect. And it's going to start communicating with the ODB port. It comes up here and automatically identifies that I have a BMW 1 Series. So we're going to click OK on that. And it says identifying ECUs. And this takes a little while. Sometimes they'll recommend that you have the car connected to a charger, but it's usually not that long. You'll probably need that when you're doing like some type of flash tune for performance. So this should be fine. All right, so we have 6 available modules here for this particular car. On my 2 Series, we have a lot more, but this car, like I said, is a real base car. And also remember, it's from 2010. So it doesn't have a lot of the technology and options that the newer cars would have. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on the third module, which is the car access system. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to read that coding data and then load it up and make it available to us for us to effect changes. All right, so it says convenient opening not active, so we're going to click on that. We're going to go ahead and select active, and it says here enable disable convenient opening. During convenient opening, the windows are open and the power folding mirrors, which I don't have, are unfolded. For convenient opening, so this would be good, you live in a hot state like Florida or something like that, or Texas, and you want to wind the windows down briefly, you could just hold down the unlock button. So we're going to go ahead and hit save, and once we hit save, you'll notice in the lower right hand corner there's a button now that says code. We're not going to code just yet because we want to go through and use a couple of other options. So the other one here is convenient opening with remote control. So let's click on that. We're going to also make that active and hit save. And then scroll down. Convenient opening delay, that's 2 seconds, 3 seconds. We can leave that convenient closing. We also want to activate that because if you wind the windows down, you want to be able to close them as well. All right, convenient closing with remote, not active. We're going to activate that. Convenient closing delay. All right, so doors and windows, select central locking, that's active. Easy access, active. Lock with ignition on, we don't want that. Rear window key, comfort access. Yeah, so that seems to be it so far. So let's go ahead and hit code on that. It gives you that important warning, and then we're going to start coding. And it says coding complete. Alright, so let's get outside the car now and test this and make sure it works. Alright, so let's hit that power button, turn off accessory mode, press on the key to eject it, and let's get outside the car. Before we go any further, let's go ahead and just disconnect from BimmerCode as well. So hit back, disconnect. Alright, so now we're out the car, so let's go ahead and close it. And then we're going to walk up here on the side so you guys can see. And let's hold down the unlock button. See if the windows go down. Alright. And both windows went down and the sunroof is going back as well, as you guys can see. So that was successful. Alright. So now let's hold down the lock button and see if we could close it as well. So we'll hold it down. Sends up the windows and also closes our sunroof. Alright. Success. That's it, guys. Real simple. I used a tablet, Samsung tablet. Like I said, it was like $100 from Best Buy. And the iCar Pro is like about $30–40. And I think the app is about the same price as well. But you get to program in, you know, some convenient features that are not necessarily available when your car, you know, when you take possession of that car. So BimmerCode definitely is a helpful app and I would highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Peace.